Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the taxi in Bendy in the Nightmare Run. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be pretty simple. We're just gonna draw in the front of the car, which is gonna be his mouth, one big mouth. So we're gonna draw one curve coming down, and then on the other side, we're just gonna try to draw the same curve. And then once you have that, we're just gonna connect this from corner to corner and just kind of give it a slight curve, just kind of go in slightly. Okay, and then from here, we're just gonna draw in a little outline. So we're just gonna follow the same curve. So this one is easy. Just kind of connect it with the same curve. And then before we draw in the teeth, let's draw in the rest of the cars first. So we're gonna start out with the eyes. So just on the side here, on the corner, just come out almost to the halfway point. And we're gonna draw one circle. And then on the other side, we're gonna draw the same thing, another circle. And then for the inside of the eye, so we can draw almost to the midpoint, just kind of come across. And then we're gonna come down, just follow this curve around the circle, leave a little open space, and then we're just gonna draw one angle and just kind of close it off. Okay, so in here, just come across, come down, leave a little bit of space, angle, and just let me shade this in real quick so we can see the eyeball a little bit better. Okay, so that looks a lot meaner. And so let's draw the side of the car now for the fenders on the wheel. Around the eyeball here, we're just gonna come out slightly. Curve down almost to the bottom. And then we just come straight into the mouth. So same thing on the other side. Just come out slightly. Curve. Go into the car. And then for the wheel itself, it's easy. We're just gonna come down. And you can come down in here too, slightly inside, just make a little curve. And then we just kind of round it out just slightly. So down, come in here, another curve, just connect it with a slight curve. Okay, so that's the tire. So now let's draw in the cab area. So in the cab area, we can just come up from the eye. Just go up. Same thing here. Just kind of slant it in slightly. And then we'll just kind of connect this with a slight curve, or you can make it straight. And then for the inside, for the windshield, we're just gonna draw another line. So it's almost the same as the other one outside. And then once you get down here, then we're just gonna come in and just close it off. And then for the taxi sign here, we're just gonna draw sort of a rectangle. Again, slightly slanted in. And then for the taxi sign, it's just gonna be same thing, but just kind of curve it out on the corners. And then we're gonna write taxi in here, so T-A-X-I. Okay, and then now we can finally draw in the teeth. So right here in the middle, we can just draw in one V. And then from here, just kind of zigzag all the way to the edge. So come down, up, down, and up. And then once you have the top, so for the bottom, we want to kind of match in these spaces here. So right here, you can draw another V. Okay, so this is going to go in here. And then now we're just going to come in zigzag. So this one goes up here, down, and then all the way to the edge. Down, up, down, up. And then lastly, if you want to add in a little bit of a little glare for the windshield. And that is it for this super easy to draw taxi in Bendy and Nightmare Run. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.